Good morning, students. Welcome to our online classes BBPS e-learning. Dear students, in the last video, we have learned about some divisibility tests for the numbers. Today, in this video, we shall learn how to test for divisibility of numbers by 10 and 11. Divisibility divisibility by 10. A number student in actual division, uh, that procedure is very time consuming and tedious. So the this rule is um, this rule is easy for testing. Divisibility by 10. The rule is a number is divisible by 10 if its last digit is 0. Last digit is 0. For example, 180, its last digit 0. So it is divisible by 10. Take some more example. 308 is not divisible by 10 because its last digit is 8. According to rule, last digit should be 0, and here in this number last digit 8. So it is not divisible by 10 because the digit adds ones place 8 or last digit 8. So the 308 is not divisible by 10. Divisibility test by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digits in odd places and the sum of its digits in even places starting from last digit is either 0 or a multiple of 11. Consider a number 6, 1, 809. Odd place, even place, odd, even, odd. Odd, even, odd, even, odd. So according to the rule, sum of its digits in odd places equal to odd places 9, 8, 6. 9, 8, 6. 9, 8, 17. 17, 6, 23. Sum of its digits in even places. Even places 0, 1. 0, 1. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So the difference, according to difference of the two sums. Two sums equal to 23 minus 1 equal to 22, which is divisible by 11. 11 2 ja 22. So the number 61,809 is divisible by 11. Take one more example. 8 0 5 0 3 1 4 0 5 2. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Sum of digits, sum of the digits in even places equal to even places, number of even places more than number of places odd places. So we first take even places. Sum of the digits in even places 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8. 5 4 9 3 12 12 5 17 17 8 17 8. 5 4 9 9 3 12 12 5 17 17 8 17 8 25 25. Sum of the digits in odd places 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0. So the total 213. Difference of two sums equal to 25 minus 3. 25 minus 3. 22. It is divisible by 11. 11 2 जा 22. So the given number is divisible by 11. Students, revise all divisibility test. Divisibility test by 2. Divisibility test by 2. Take a number 8 6 5 2. Divisibility test by 2. The rule is divisibility by 2. We know that a number is divisible by 2. We know that a number is divisible by 2 if its last digit 0 2 4 6 8. Here in this number last digit 2, so it is divisible by 2. Question 2. Divisibility test by 3. Take a number 7 2 6. Divisibility test by 3. Test the divisibility of the by 3. Definition is, we know that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Given number 7 to 6. Given number 7 to 6, sum of its digits equal to 7 plus 2 plus 6. 7 to 9, 9 6 15, which is divisible by 3. 3 5 ja 15. So the given number is divisible by 3. Divisibility test by 5. Take a number 2 0 7 0. Rule is, we know that a number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is either 0 or 5. In this number last digit 0, so it is divisible by 5. Another rule, divisibility test by 6. Take a number 6 3 9 2 1 0. Divisibility test by 6. The rule is that a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Given number 6 3 9 2 1 0. Its last digit 0. Its last digit 0. So it is divisible by 2. So it is divisible by 2. Sum of its digits 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. 6 3 9 9 18 18 to 20 21. 21 divisible by 3. 3 7 ja 21. 3 7 ja 21. Therefore this given number is divisible by 6 because this number divisible by 2 and 3 both. So the given number is divisible by 6 also. Question 5. Take another rule. Divisibility test by 4. Divisibility test by 4. Take a number 4, 8, 9, 6. The rule is that a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digit is divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4. It means ones tenths. The number is 96. 96 divided by 4. 4 2 ja 8, 1, 6, 4 4 ja 16. You can see here 4 divides 96 completely. It has no remainder. So it is 96 is divisible by 4. So the given whole number is divisible by 4. Another rule, divisibility test by 8. Take a number 3, 4, 5, 0, 9, 6. The rule is, we know that a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by last three digits is divisible by 8. So last three digit 96. We first divide by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 1, 6, 8 2 ja 16, 0. 96 divisible by 8 completely, or 8 divides 96 completely. So the given number divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. Another rule, divisibility test by 9. The rule is, we know that a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. Take a number 8, 3, 7, 4, 5. Sum of its digits 8 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 5. 8 3 11, 11 7 18, 18 4 22, 22 5 27. It is divisible by 9. 9 3 ja 27. So the given number is divisible by 9. We hope students you understand. Okay students,